What's up, Portland property people? This is Zach Whelans with the Real Property Team coming at you just a nice spring day here in Portland, Maine. Just wanted to give you a quick market update of what the situation is heading into spring in the real estate market right here in Portland. Just outside of my house here, which is in the Libbytown neighborhood. Right across the street is actually the start of the Rosemont neighborhood. So if you've got any questions or concerns or anything you want to know about the real estate market here in Portland, please leave a comment below or text us or give us a call, and our contact details will be down below as well. So just a quick market update. So at the end of March, what we were seeing was median house prices were about at $525,000 for a median house price here in Portland. That doesn't mean that's what it sold for. So usually we are seeing houses go over ask if they're anywhere near competitive. Usually they're on the market for about 6 days total, 6 to 7 days. So if you think about it in terms of, that means if it's listed on a Wednesday, they have lots of showings, maybe an open house, and they're asking for offers to be in by 5 p.m. on a Monday or Tuesday. So there's still that big sense of urgency. And that has to do with a lack of inventory here in Portland and in a lot of other places. There's just not enough houses to go around. So what you need when you come into the market here in Portland, if you really want to get here, it's still a really desirable place to be. You need a good agent, right? Someone who's going to be proactive rather than reactive. Someone who's going to find the house that you want to go and look at before you even know it, because by the time you know it, it might be too late. The other is, if you're going to be financing, you need a local lender, right? You're also going to want cash if you can do it, because cash is still king. And then you need to have, just a creative approach to your offer. What's going to make it stand out? And that takes a good proactive agent as well. So again, if you're interested in this, or you're interested in any of the neighborhoods around, again, I'm in Libbytown. Just across the street is what's considered Rosemont. I'm going to be doing a running realty tour video series in which I'm going to run around. I like to run. So I'm going to run around different neighborhoods, show you different houses, what they've listed for, what they've sold for in the past. Also some features about some of the neighborhoods. And just to give you a little bit of a flavor of where you could end up in Portland. So again, hit that bell icon, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, do all those things, leave a comment below, and give us a text or a ring if you want to know anything more about this great place to live that is Portland, Maine. And we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.